Good morning. I got up and I was yawning. Yes, definitely. I've got a driver today. He's not a taxi driver because it's David. Morning, David.
Morning, one and all.
Everybody's been asking about you, David.
I'm here.
When am I going out with David again? Yeah, look at that, lovely. So I think we're on the 15th of September, and it's a very dull day after a very hot summer, and we don't really know what we're doing. We started off with great ideas, and things haven't gone our way, so we're just going to head to one of my well-known places, and that's Wolverton. I haven't been there for quite some time now, so it'd be nice if Len is there and we can have a word with him and just see what happens. Okay, thank you for coming along. Pleasure to have all you smilers sitting in your armchairs smiling. See you in a bit. So we've arrived at Wolverton, and there's your first train. Lovely, isn't it? I love anything like that. Have a lot of these up in Scotland. And there's the other one, and if they both move, they're going to crash. Well, the booking office is not open, so Len must be on holiday, I would think, because they've got no relief staff. So we're just going to get on the train at the moment and go as far as Milton Keynes. But not that one. So big decision. We're going to Milton Keynes first, and then there's no freight for the next hour, so we'll just talk to people, I think. London and North Western. That's an Avanti, and Avanti are in a bit of trouble, which I'll tell you about in a minute. Right, briefly speaking, Avanti have not been running their trains and properly. They've been cutting trains out for many different reasons on their behalf, but as far as I understand, the powers that be have now threatened Avanti that if they don't put the trains back on that they keep cancelling, they will lose the franchise. So that's why we're here today. We was hoping to see a couple of unusual replacements, but David at the moment can only find one, which follows this one down the line, so we'll see what it is. Well, within 2 or 3 minutes, here's another one going to London Euston. This is London North Western. This has come from Crewe. And there's one there disappearing up the track, could be going anywhere north from here. No shortage of trains here. This is 3 in about 5 minutes. Plus one departing north, one has just departed south, and of course we had the Pendo over there as well. That's all quite good, all that lot in 10 minutes. There's another one. I wonder if there's been a hold up and they're playing catch up. This is a 5-car Voyager that's been up to Blackpool North and back. Nice site, different colour scheme or livery.
Wolverton and Northampton. This train has 8 carriages. Stand back at the platform until the train takes off. Take care of my detective gap when you board the train.
Nice, I'm glad we came out. I think David wanted to come just to get that, but he didn't realise, he thought it was going to be 286s. There, that's very nice, isn't it? Don't think that bloke should be down there. This is a non-stopper. I'll tell you what, if you want a couple of hours out filming and you don't want particularly any freight trains, because we haven't seen one, then Milton Keynes is well worth a visit. There, I thought I'd missed a post here. I nearly did, look. I've just been to the Loopy-Loo and just bought the tickets to go back to Wolverton. It's not worth taking the risk for the sake of a couple of quid. He's on a red. David is of the understanding that tomorrow another couple of different specials will be running, so whether we'll come down here again tomorrow or not, I really don't know.
12:21.
switch the camera on and then walk.
Where are they coming from? London?
No, from Birmingham. A freight train
So
on platform 1, he says.
From that side?
Yeah.
Then. Yeah, you must go over there and then you can catch
Yeah.
Maybe this one gone.
Yeah, I don't know how long.
The next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the 12:55 London North Western Railway service to Northampton. For Wolverton and Northampton, this train has 8 carriages. Stand back from the platform until the train has stopped.
Oh, thank you, David. I was busy talking to this gentleman here. He's waiting for the special to come back as well. I think maybe 10-15 minutes.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yeah. See, you're on here now.
Come on.
How long have you... Go away. I've got a wasp round me. Look, go away.
Service to Northampton.
Don't like wasps, they're getting sleepy at the moment. Wasps get sleepy, you know, and then they sting you. How long have you been on Milton Keynes?
Actually, they hired me from other company for this week.
Ah, right, okay. So are you security?
Yeah.
Ah, right, okay. Oh, well, I'm secure. Okay.
That's why I'm here.
Oh, good. Yeah, very good. Another train in. Oh, I get very short breath.
Do you want water?
No, I've got some water. Yeah. Too many years of smoking.
Oh, God, yeah. Don't make me scared. I do smoke as well.
I've been finished smoking 25 years, but the damage was done. Yeah. Switch off. Okay, coming up the track now, pardon me, is the hired in train going to Manchester Piccadilly. Stopping here.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 13th
Most of that train is first class. It'll be disused, it'll just be standard class, I think. There you go, 82-139 back again. There you are, that's to welcome you to Wolverton. Now come back to Wolverton to see what freight there is.
Platform edge. The next train at platform 2 does not stop here. Please hold on to push
Hello mate, how you doing?
and your belongings.
You're living on the wrong side.
Good night. Yeah, not bad yourself. Yeah, so we covered things on case. Yeah, took it in now since it stopped.
That's it, he works at Wolverton Works, I do believe. I thought that was going to be a freight train. Think again, small. Just to let you know, we're on now for the Grand Freight finale. Thank you very much, all you lovely smileys, for coming out with Big Son David and Smile. Bye!